In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send update requests automatically in Smartsheet. This is really helpful if you're tired of chasing people for status updates or manually emailing your team. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have an automation set up that sends update requests for you based on changes in your sheet. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to set this up. At the top of the screen, look for the automation menu in the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on automation. This is where all the rules and workflows for your sheet live, and it's where we'll build the automatic update requests. When the automation menu opens, you'll see several options. Instead of building a workflow from scratch, we're going to use a pre-built one to save time. Click on Create from Template. Using a template is great because the basic logic is already there. You just customize it to match your needs. A list of automation templates will appear. Scroll through until you find the one called Alert Someone When Anything Changes. Click on that option. Even though it says Alert, we can adjust the settings so it works like an update request. And it's a good starting point because it's already wired to react whenever something in your sheet changes. Next, you'll see a preview of the workflow and what it does. To actually use this in your sheet, click on Use Template. This creates a copy of the rule in your own sheet, so you can modify it without affecting any other sheets or system defaults. Now it's time to fill in the details. This is the most important part. You'll see sections that let you define when the workflow runs, which rows it should look at, and who should receive the notifications or requests. Adjust the trigger so it matches your scenario, for example, when a specific column changes or when a row is updated. Then choose the recipients. You can select specific people, contact type columns or roles. Also, customize the message so it clearly explains what you want the recipient to update. Being specific here helps them know exactly what they need to do when they receive the request. Once everything looks right and you're happy with the conditions and the message, click on Save. This activates your new automation rule.